All right, guys, what is going on? It is the show day, so I am excited to get this over and done with, honestly, because this is step number one. This is step number one to just go in and obviously do our thing in Pittsburgh in 2.5 weeks. But this needs to be taken care of course, and it's kind of a practice run. We did an unconventional kind of mock peak, so if you will, for this show. So I'm kind of curious to see exactly kind of how I look and what the look is going to be like on stage. So we just came back from the tan. I got both coats in. I did a coat last night. I did a coat this morning just now. So we're going to let this settle in. We're heading back. So far I've had one meal this morning. So I did half a pound of bison with 100 grams of rice, pre-cooked. So, oh, and then I threw a banana in there as well, just to get some additional potassium and some fiber and whatnot. But so far so good. Yeah, feel good. Yeah. So let's head home. Let's put the posing trunks on and let's see how we look, and then we'll head over to the venue and get the show started.
Open heavyweight, no strangers to the Texas stage, Jonathan Irizarry and Josh Wise. Jonathan Irizarry. And winning the class, competitor number 209, Josh Wise. All right, gentlemen, center stage. Favorite pose? All right, great job, guys.
So this is called Lemon Perfect. So it says half of an organic lemon here, and then they have some different extracts. That's good.
Scale of 1 to 10, bro.
Honestly, bro, that's like ice cold like this. It's a 10, especially right now. Especially. All right, guys, that's it for today's show. I actually love the way that they ran the show. It was nice and quick. We're able to take care of the pre-judging, run right into finals, so it's great for all of my family and friends that came to visit and come to watch. I appreciate all their love and support, man. And to me, that's what it's all about. I just, just being able to feel that love from you guys, from the people that are there to support, means the world to me, because I put a lot of work into this. Obviously, things didn't go our way today, but that's okay. We have 3 more weeks to continue to improve and work towards the goal that we initially set forth throughout this entire journey to begin with. So I'm excited to, eat a little bit of food, get, re-energized. I'm very well rested over the last few days. We kind of just been chilling out, kind of a deload week essentially, which I needed. My body was so tired. We pushed it to the limits, which again, we're finding out what works well for me, what doesn't work well for me. At the end of the day, that's what this journey is about, is just getting a better understanding of your body and seeing how we can continue to improve moving on, you know, as we continue on down this path. So, but yeah, that's it, guys. I'm tired, exhausted. I know Madison is tired. I appreciate my man for showing up early as hell with me and doing all this. Like, he doesn't know how much I love him. So appreciate you, Madison.
No problem.
But let's go. Let's get in the car. It's time to get showered up, ready, meet up with the family, grab some food. So we'll see you guys there.